Okay, so I want to do a little update here on the progress of what I planted in my garden boxes. So in this box here, I've got tomatoes. These two really tall ones are cherry tomatoes, and these other ones are regular sized tomatoes. And there's one little guy right down there. When I planted this stuff, it got really cold, really windy, and it rained a lot, and it really ravaged everything that I planted. Some of these things I had started in a house ahead of time, like the tomatoes. So they really got beat up. Anyway, they've recovered for the most part. Here, I've got some carrots. Then I've got spices down here as well. So I've got a combination of rosemary, sage, and thyme. And then all of this leafiness here are radishes. And they are poking out already, so it's time to pick them already, actually. And over here, I've got Swiss chard. And again, they kind of got a little bit ravaged, so I planted a couple more in here afterwards. And there's one down there too. Okay, so that's everything in here. I did plant a pepper in here, and I'm not sure actually if this is it coming up. It's possible. We'll just have to wait and see. And all of this, I don't even know what this is. It's just, I don't know, it's probably part of the mushroom family or something. I don't know. Anyway, it's come up all on its own because it's wet and shaded on this, in this section. Now in the other box, I've got peppers. I'll have to move here. I don't know if that's any better. Anyway, I've got peppers right here. And a little flower there. They're flowering a little bit, I guess. Starting to, anyways. And then I've got one green onion here. I've got chives over here. Then all of this is parsley. Then I've got these three cucumber plants. And man, they're getting really, really nice and leafy. Looking good. Then I've got these bean plants here too. Getting nice and leafy. These two here. Then I've got peas. And this is starting to flower, so that's nice. So I've got a couple here, and then another one back there, and then another pepper plant here, which also has a flower on it, so that's good. So that's how everything's doing in the boxes for now, coming along just fine. And over here, right in the dirt, in the ground, without a box, between these two daisy plants, I've got two squash, and they're leafing out really nice too. And I also have a sunflower here, and another one right here. So they're not very big yet, but they are coming along, so that's good. And then over here also, directly into the ground, I planted this tomato, which, as you can see, is flowering, so that's good. This tomato is flowering also, as is this one. Got this little one here, not yet flowering, and this one also not yet. Then I got chives here too. And this is all planted in between a mountain ash tree and a golden elder. And then on the other side of that, I got another squash leafing out really nice. And then here's a zucchini flowering, another daisy, and then over here, a cucumber. And you can see it's got flowers and it's just starting to show some little cucumbers. And then this is a little lilac tree. So in between these trees, I tried these things and they seem to be working just fine. So that's it for the update for now. And I'll do another one at the end of the season. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.